nakatira nga. Ano?
You answered the call and obeyed God's command. He sent you here, we know you're in His hand. Your message from the Word touches our very soul. We've seen your faithfulness and we want you to know. Pastor, we love you. We appreciate all you do. And God sees the sacrifice you've made for Jesus Christ. You pray for the lost, and God leads them to the cross. And we know one day you'll hear your Father say, "My child, well done, my child, well done."
Ay, adlaw pastor, akong anak, salamat sa Ginoo birthday nimo karon. Og ubay-ubay na gyud ang imong paalagad sa Ginoo, di ba? 55 years old ka na karon. Namantag ang Ginoo magapadalangin kanimo sa imong pagpadayon sa pag-alagad kaniya kay wala man gyud retirement sa usa ka ministro sa Ginoo. Sa mga membro dinhi, nagapasalamat ko sa inyo nga inyong tagaan og birthday, ang giselebrar ninyo ang birthday ni pastor sa pastor ninyo. Salamat kang abing sa iyang pag-alima sa iya kang pastor, labi na natong nagsakit siya. Salamat sa iyang mga isuon nga nagtabang pud kaniya. Salamat kang nehong nga nakauli gikan sa Manila. Salamat gyud nga kanunay kamo na may nampuon kuban kanamo. Salamat nga nining COVID nga nag-abot na kita naging closer sa Ginoo. Gusto padayon may nampuon hinuon kita di sa Ginoo. Salamat gyud sa COVID. Dinhi sa amo malipayon kami, daghan ang mga miracles nga gihimo sa Ginoo pinaagi sa COVID. So, padayon kita, dili kita mahadlok sa COVID. Salamat sa padayong pag-alagad sa Ginoo. Ikaw, nag-aampo kami kanunay kanimo pastor, uban sa imong pamilya, uban sa imong pamilya dinhi sa nasipit your church. Happy birthday again! Bye-bye!
Happy Father's Day, Manong Leonard, and happy birthday. We love you. Ayo-ayo.
You answered the call and obeyed God's command. He sent you here, we know you're in His hand. Your message from the Word touches our very soul. We've seen your faithfulness and we want you to know. Pastor, we love you. We appreciate all you do. And God sees the sacrifice you've made for Jesus Christ. You pray for the lost, and God leads them to the cross. And we know one
Hi day, happy birthday. Salamat sa tanan sacrifices, sa love, sa mga paghago nimo sa ako. I wish you more birthdays to come. mapaabot mo 100 ni mami.
God sees
Happy birthday, Daddy.
Okay, happy birthday, Daddy! We hope to see you soon after this pandemic. Always take care. God bless you, Daddy. Ow! Daniel, say happy birthday, Daddy. Oh no! Bye!
Bye. Bye, Daddy.
all you do.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Pastor. Wishing you all the best and good health, Pastor. Oh, stay as you are and may God bless you and give you long life. Wala. Bye. Wala.
Happy birthday, Pastor. Happy birthday, Pastor. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Pastor.
And God sees the sad.
Hi, Pastor. Happy birthday. Stay healthy and fit always. And go up always. Enjoy your day, Pastor. Regalo pag uli na. And always hugging you with my prayers. God bless you, Pastor.
Your father say, my child will.
To our very caring Pastor Junard, we are very much thankful that God sent you to Nasipit. Words are not enough to express how blessed we are to have you as our pastor with Ma'am Abing too. I witness how you care its member of NFBC. Bisan magsakit na gyud na imong ulo, imong dughan tungod kay kami mga tigulang magpabadlong pud usahay. I would like to express my appreciation to your being patience, your kindness, your being a hardworking pastor aside sa imong kondisyon. We are really blessed and today is your birthday and from the bottom of my heart, I wish you good health, happiness, and more wisdom to guide us and to win more souls. Thank you, Pastor, for always there to listen to my stories and for the prayers extended to me and to my family. Happy birthday, and we love you very much.
We appreciate all you do.
To praise and thank the Lord for the life of Pastor Junard Cural. Let me share my short message to him, especially his special day. Let me first share my gratitude to him. Thank you, Pastor Junard, for your friendship. I got to know you during your internship in Misamis Oriental. And way back 1986, because you were close friends with my eldest brother, Pastor Camilo de Lucas. And he spent also his internship in Cabantian, Misamis Oriental. And second, thank you for your faith, because your faith first served me as an example. And you used to be my youth pastor here in Butuan Grace Fundamental Baptist Church way back 1988 to 1981. And thank you also for your encouragement. One of my unforgettable encouragement from you was you were the one who encouraged me to enter into seminary. And since then, you have contributed a greater part in my decision making during my youthful days. And you are an encourager even up to this point. You keep on sending messages that encourage the believers and even us, your co-pastors. Thirdly, thank you for your effort. Since before, I have seen your effort in doing God's ministry, because I used to be with you and together with Pastor Joel Estemosa in your visitations and Bible studies. And because of that, God put a burden in my heart, and I decided to follow him in full-time ministry. And lastly, thank you for your endurance. I know that throughout your life's journey, you have experienced a lot of trials, sufferings, and discouragements, but you never gave up. You are determined to finish what you have started. Your spiritual stability and emotional strength marked that you are an elite army and soldier of Jesus Christ. So keep up the good work for God's glory and honor. Let me describe your name in an acrostic way. I love to make acrostics. J stands for journey of life or journey of faith. U is, and that means that you are a man of journey. U is you are a man of understanding. And N, you are a man of need. And A, you are a man of affection. R, you are a man of responsibility. And lastly, D stands for you are a man of diligence, devotion, determination, and dedication in the ministry. My last word for you, not just my gratitude, but my greetings. In behalf of my family, and in behalf of the BGFBC, and in behalf of the CFFBC, I'd like to say a happy birthday to you. May God bless you with fruitful years together with your family and also in God's ministry. Stay safe and healthy. God bless you.
The Lord's by your side, blesses all that you do.
Sige, ready? Sing. Today is your birthday, a very special day. You must be happy more than yesterday. Forget all your sorrow, use time to rejoice. Today is your birthday, a most awaited day. You can hear the voices of your dearest friends singing a happy song. Everyone is singing a happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. How old are you? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. How old are you? Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday!
And God leads them to the cross.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Pastor. We love you.
Pastor Junard, happy birthday! Ako pang hinaot nga more birthdays to come, more fruitful years pa gyud nga maabot sa imo nga kinabuhi. O hinaot pa nga mag-enjoy ka karon nga adlaw. O unsa man mo anak ko. Pero murag lisod gyud mi maka-anak diha tungod kay kung mo anak mi diha karon sa imuha, mo kaon, mo celebrate uban sa imuha sa imong birthday. Pagbalik na mo diri rapid test na mi. Basta nga di lagi ko makana o ako lang panghinaot nga magmalipayon ka karon nga adlaw o many more birthdays to come o magpadayon sa pag-alagad sa Ginoo hangtod sa iyang pagbalik. Happy birthday.
And God leads them to the cross. And we know
Happy birthday, Pastor!
Dakong pasalamat, Pastor, nga ikaw yun ang dalagda sa nasipit, sa fundamental baptist sa nasipit. Among yampo nga duhagan pagtaas sa kinabuhi o daghan pa unta ang makanungog sa pulong pinagi kanimo. Sa makausa pa Happy birthday, Pastor.
Birthday.
Through the good and bad times.
Hi, Pastor! Happy birthday! May you have more birthdays to come. Bitson po ha, tuyok-tuyok ka, daghan. Punta, mag-bless ang Ginoo sa imo sa pareha kadagko sa bukid ng blessing. And happy po may nga imong kinabuhi. Blessing po alang sa amo sa ministry. Salamat sa imong ipakita nga mga paghigugman, kasibot sa pagdaong kalag, sa kamang abing. God bless you, Pastor.
Hello, Pastor Junard. Happy birthday. Rejoicing with you with God's goodness. And still fresh sa mind sa mga panahon nga nag-uban kita sa ministry. Ang joy nga i-share sa ato matag usa. O gusab ang imong kinabuhi na naging blessing sa amo o sa daghan pa usab. Hinaut ng Ginoo magapanalangin sa inyo daghang pa mga katuigan mabungahon uban sa imong minahal sa kinabuhi, Ma'am Abing, ug sa inyong anak si Ham. Again, happy birthday, Pastor.
And we know one day you'll hear.
Happy birthday, Pastor. Happy birthday, Pastor. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Pastor. Pastor, happy birthday, Pastor. Happy birthday, Pastor. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Pastor. Happy birthday, Pastor. Thank you.
You answered the call and obeyed God's command. He sent you here, we know you're in His hand. Your message from the